What are you wired to on the 4K?
I'm wired down to 1 ohm.
Okay. Did you do this or did you install it or what?
I had done extreme audio.
Okay. What size lithium is this? JY Power K2 Energy.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know the size on it.
I know.
Alright. I think it might be 5 or 6 amp hours per.
Probably, that sounds about right.
Is that a 10-inch port?
I want to say it's actually a 12, but I'm not totally sure. It's open, you can...
Okay. Oh, nice. 4 speakers, Rockford Fosgate. Looks like a 10. Yeah, 10-inch. But it slopes out to a 12.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But the inside is 10.
Yeah.
And then the outside's probably 12. Wait. Hear it real quick? All right. Can we get some outside flex? So you said you got 47s on it. 147?
Yeah, 147.7.
Was that in the kick or on the glass?
It was both. They did both on me.
It did? Okay.
Don't want to get too loud. They might.
Yeah, let's have the windows up.
Hello.
What Sundowns are these?
Sundown XV212s.
Okay.
Rated at 1500 watts per, running off of a 4000 watt amp.
All right. I like the LED. That looks really good.
Yeah, I did that myself.
Really?
Good old
Okay.
Walmart grade.
Hey, it works. All right. Get some flex.
Alright, let's send it.
Shorty mixing up the vodka with the liquor. Catch me on the block like a Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow. Trunk in the front like the shit Dumbo.
Dude, that thing is tearing up this stuff up here.
Oh,
I'm surprised you haven't broken this yet.
Me too.
Or even cracked your window.
Surprisingly, I haven't. I've got a little crack forming down here somewhere. Oh, there it is right there actually.
That might have been something that just hit the window, maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I've got a little chip up there from a rock, but
What was that song called?
it's called Wow.
You have a, is that as low as you play? You play a little bit lower?
That's as low as she'll
It
go.
will? Okay.
I mean, she'll play lower, but
Yeah, it won't sound as good.
it won't
Okay.
do that.
All right, you got one more for me?
If you want to hear the highs, I can do that.
Yeah, yeah, man, that sounds good.
This is my song I always do for highs. Can't go wrong with Queen.
Escape from reality. Open your eyes. Look up to the skies and see. I'm just a because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anywhere the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. Oh yeah. Snow, trunk in the front like a shit Dumbo. Always going for it, never fall. Fuck down, let's call Hail Mary, Prescott, touchdown. Put it in the pocket, it's on me.
Ears ringing yet?
Dude, that hurt. Yeah. That was a good one. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for showing me.
Absolutely.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.